Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing weight loss Besan Chilla recipe or spiced gram flour pancakes. This is good option as your breakfast or evening snacks. Let's start the recipe. Here are the ingredients. 2 small bowls gram flour. Besan is rich in fiber, iron, potassium, magnesium, copper, zinc and phosphorus. Half chopped onion, 1/4 green bell pepper, 1 fine chopped green chili, half chopped tomato, and spices are turmeric, 1 tablespoon flaxseed powder. Flaxseed contain high amount of omega-3 fatty acid, helps in weight loss. It is easily available in the market. Cumin seeds, zira, fennel seeds is concentrated source of mineral like copper, potassium, calcium, zinc, vitamin C. Carom seed is really good for digestion and helps in weight loss. Chili flakes, black pepper enhance metabolism, and last salt as per your taste. Let's make the batter. Meanwhile, turn on the heat. Keep it on medium-high flame. So by the time you are ready with your batter, your pan is hot. So for making good batter, firstly add all the spices. So let's start. Salt as per your taste, black pepper, chili flakes, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, carom seeds, flaxseed powder, turmeric, mix it well. Add water. Add water in intervals and mix it well to avoid lumps. My batter is ready. Batter should be thick with a pouring consistency. Now it's a time to add the vegetables. Chopped onions, chopped green bell pepper, chopped green chili, chopped tomato. I'm ready with the batter. It's a time to pour the batter on the pan. I'm not adding any oil on the pan, so it's gonna be even more healthy. So let's pour the batter. Cook by the time you see holes appearing on the top. Check from the edges. Once it starts loosening, then flip it. Press gently so it cooks nicely. I think it's ready. Let's plate it. You can serve it with green chutney along with tea or coffee. Keep watching my videos and stay healthy. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for more notifications. Thank you.